Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD command line not showing command history using the easy method. This is a great way to open up your past text lines so you can see exactly what tools you used right above your typing bar. Step 1. Drag the top border of your typing bar upward. The first step is to use your mouse pointer to manually stretch the size of your bottom typing row so there is actually enough physical room on your screen to display the past text lines. Move your mouse pointer slowly down to the very top edge of your bottom typing row, wait for your arrow to change into a double-headed vertical shape, click and hold your mouse button, and drag your hand upward. Pull the border up by 2 or 3 lines to create an open gray space right above where you type your words. This is the start of everything because sometimes a software update minimizes the history box into a completely flat line to save screen space. You have to stretch this panel open so the old text has a place to live. Without this step, your program will keep tracking your history in the background, but it will remain completely invisible because the display window is pinched shut. Step 2. Change your history list line count. Next, you need to use a typing command to change the number rules inside the software settings so it knows exactly how many past actions it is allowed to show on your screen at once. Click inside your main typing bar, type the word CLI prompt lines, press the Enter key on your keyboard, type a number like 3 or 4 into the input box, and hit Enter again. Check the bottom area to make sure the program accepts your input and updates its internal text layout rules. Because if this variable number accidentally gets set to 0, the system will completely block your history text from appearing. By changing this line limit number on your current setup, you tell the program's engine to stack your last few actions neatly above your cursor. It ensures you can verify your inputs without opening a giant separate window. Now, you need to use a quick keyboard shortcut trick to flip your hidden scrolling history sheet back on if it was accidentally turned off by a wrong click. Move your hand to your keyboard and press the F2 key once, or type the words log file on into your bottom prompt box and hit your Enter key. Watch for a secondary text window to appear on your screen, view your past steps to ensure they are logging correctly, and press F2 again to close the extra pop-up panel. Because your program stores your text actions in a continuous live diary file as you work, if the tracking switch gets turned off, the connection breaks and your screen stays blank. By hitting this shortcut toggle, you jumpstart the recording engine. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the software to refresh its live text feed instantly. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD command line not showing command history, you must first drag the top border of your typing bar upward to make room for your past logs. Then you type CLI prompt lines and set it to 3 to tell the system how many rows to show. Next, you press the F2 key to toggle your text files and ensure your steps are recording properly. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.